Hello guys, welcome to Civil Concept, and in this video I am going to show you how to calculate the rate analysis of a brickwork in a minute. Okay, so you can see here, you have to come here www.civilconcept.com in this website. Okay, and after that you will see these types of interface. Okay, so you will see different types of tools related to civil engineering, and here you have to go in number 6 and in C, which is rate analysis of brickwork calculator. Okay, also you can search from here. Okay, so for I am going to in number 6 in number C. Okay, so click here, rate analysis of brickwork calculator. Okay, so after clicking on it you will reach on this page. Here you can see rate analysis of brickwork calculator. Okay, now you just have to put your different values like volume of brickwork. Okay, so I am putting here 5, and after that ratio of cement is to sand, I am putting here 1:5, and dimension of the bricks in meter. Okay, so you have to convert centimeter or either in to meter. Okay, so all these values are in meter. You can see here we have to put value in meter, and thickness of mortar you have to put here in which may be 15, and you can put here according to your requirement. Okay, so mason required, this is according to the IS code. Okay, so this value will be set by default, and if you want to change, then you can also change it as well. Okay, so you can see here the rate of mason will be how much. In my area there is 1000, and labor is 700 per day. Okay, so number of bricks, it means rate of bricks. You have to input all the rates of materials and skilled or unskilled manpower here. Okay, so in my region there is 20 rupees, and bags of cement, rate of cement is how much, 820. Okay, 820, and volume of sand per meter cube, rate of sand per meter cube is 1200, and water required 0.1. and if you want to put the overhead and profit of the contractor, then you can put as well, and you can also change it as well. Okay, now inputting all this value, you have to click on calculate, and you will get all the value. You can see here all the rate, all the amount of all materials has given, and here you can see the rate analysis becomes 16,678. Okay, so you can also print this page as well, and you can save as PDF as well. Okay, so in this way we can calculate the rate analysis of the brickwork in a minute.